Ready for movers. Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, very good, Mary. You look nice. I love your bang. Have you eaten dinner yet?
Yeah.
Very good. What did you have for dinner?
I have a fish, a fish, a chicken, and
Wow. And rice?
yeah.
All right. Okay. So, Mary, I want you to look at this one. This is a top tip. When we say top tip, it's just a clue. Okay, look. In formal British English, the presence of the words if and wish are a clue that the past subjunctive form of the verb I wear, he wear should be used. Okay, now look at this one. This is an example. Okay, if I was, look, if I was, if he were a boy, he wish he could carry 50 kilograms of rice. So that's only an example. Now look, let's have a quiz, Mary. Let's practice. Which is the correct use of was? A, B, C, or D?
She was there.
He was kind. Let's see. Wow, that's right. Okay, now which is the correct use of where?
I wear it for school.
Very good. Okay, oh, actually, I'm sorry. I wear. Since we have I wear, so we have I was late. Since the pronoun is I, so we say was. I was late for school. And the correct answer in here is I wish. I wear a queen. Okay. Now what about this one? Was or where? Look and read, Mary, then complete it with was or where. What's letter A?
Is where.
When he got
Oh
home,
no,
he
it
were very
was.
tired.
It
Okay, it's was. Nice. How about letter B?
was. Is where.
Nice. How about letter C?
Is where.
Great job. And lastly,
It was.
very good. Wow, well done, Mary. Okay, now let's practice more. So it's all about was or where quiz. So look, you get 1 point for choosing the correct option. If you get 1 point, okay, that means you chose the correct answer. Remember, Mary, we have I, she, he, and it. That's was. You, we, and they. That's where. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. Who was or who were the first president of the USA? What's the correct question? Was or where? We
I.
have,
I.
what is it? We have,
Mm. We have what?
okay. Who was? Very good. Now, the answer here is George Washington. Okay. Now, what about in here? Who was the second person to walk on the moon after Neil Armstrong?
Right.
A. Bill Gates. B. Winston Churchill. C. J.K. Rowling. Or D. Buzz Aldrin. So what's your answer?
Right.
A. Bill Gates.
Right.
Try again. Bill Gates is the owner of Microsoft. Okay, so try again, Mary.
It's D.
Winston Churchill.
Mm.
Let's see. Tang, 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 tang. Nice try. Try again. Bill Gates. Try again. You have two more options. Which one?
Ah, it's D. D. D.
Very good. Buzz Aldrin. J.K. Rowling is the woman who writes the story of Harry Potter. Okay. Now look at this one. Which country was the winner of the FIFA World Cup in 2010? A. Brazil. B. Spain.
N.
C. Italy.
D.
D.
D. Spain.
Germany.
N. Spain.
Spain. Let's see it. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Oh, very good. Okay, now look. Was there any female pirate? Were there any female pirates?
Yeah. Yeah. Where?
Yes, there were. Let's see. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Wow, nice. So how many points have you got? You've got 2 points, Mary. Okay, so let me put here 2 stars so that we can trace your points. What about this? Look and answer the question. I mean, read the question and
Hey.
answer the answer and tell me the answer.
D.
What was the first Disney character?
Hey. An elephant. D.
Let's
A
see.
rabbit.
Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Try
No, this is a
again.
bird. A bird. A bird.
Wow. Try again. What else?
A, a rabbit.
A rabbit?
No, a
Ten, ten,
mouse. A
ten, ten.
mouse. A mouse. I mean,
Okay, since you said a mouse, so you don't have a point. Actually, rabbit is correct. Okay, so you have to make a final decision. All right. Now, what about this one, Mary? Look, where was the Aztecs from? Or where
uh,
were the Aztecs from?
mm,
Are they from Australia, Japan, Mexico, or Canada?
mm, um, Aztec from Mexico.
All right. Let's see. Tong, 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 tong. Wow. How did you know? I don't even know this one. Oh, very good, Mary. Okay, now look. What was the first animal in space? A monkey called Pop, a dog
Yeah,
called Laika, a
a
chimpanzee
monkey
called
called
Joey, or
a
a
monkey
hamster called Bob?
a
A
monkey
monkey. Let's see. Ta-da-da-dang. Try again.
mm, a hamster carrot box.
Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Try again. Last one, Mary.
A dog.
A dog. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. 1 point. Wow, you've got 4 points, Mary. Okay, now look. Where was the first Olympic Games? A, Greece. B, England. C, China. D, Spain.
China.
Where?
China.
China. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Try again.
England.
Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. One last try.
Greece.
Greece. Ta-da-da-dang. Very good. Wow. Another 1 point. Okay, now look. What was the first company to be worth $1 trillion? A. Google. B. Pixar.
Google.
C. Samsung
Google.
or D. Apple? Let's see. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. Try again.
Apple.
Samsung. Samsung?
Apple.
Apple?
Yeah.
Ta-da-da-dang. Wow, very good. Okay, now look. When were the members of the Beatles born? Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. So they are the Beatles, I think. So A, in the 1940s, in the 1960s, in the 1930s, or in the 1980s?
96.
A, B, C, or D?
B.
Ta-da-da-dun, ta-da. Try again.
D.
Dog. Try again. Last one.
A.
Very good. You're so lucky. Okay. Now, how about this? What was New York originally called? A. New Place. B. New Amsterdam. C. New London. Or D. New Paris.
New Paris.
Let's
New
see.
Paris.
Try again.
New Amsterdam.
New Amsterdam. Ta-da-da-dong, ta-dong. Very good. 1 point. Okay, look. What was the biggest animal ever?
And
Was it a
T-Rex.
dinosaur?
T-Rex. T-Rex.
A T-Rex? Let's see. Try again.
Blue whale.
Blue whale. Very good. It has always been the blue whale. Okay, so 1 point, Mary. What about here? There are about 7 billion people alive today. How many people were alive in the 1900s? How many?
C. C. C.
How many? See, about 1.6. Try again.
D. D.
Yes, it's still the same. 2 billion. Very good. Okay, 1 point. Now look, how many points did you get? Let's count. 3, 6, 9, 10. So you've got 10
10.
points, Mary. Wow. All right. Well done, Mary. So in here, I want you to look and complete the sentence. There are two examples. She was happy. They were sad. What about number 3?
Mm,
How about number 3?
Number 3 is she was hot. Hot.
What?
She was surprised.
Very good. Why were you shouting, Mary? Why were you shouting? Everything okay?
Yeah.
All right. Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah.
What about number 4?
Number 4 is uh, they were
Let's see. They were hot. Great. How about number 5?
uh, he he was
Okay. He was tired. Very good. How about number 6?
a bride, a bride,
One more, please.
a bride.
They were afraid. What about number 7?
Uh, they wait, wait, wait.
Okay, you say wet. Wet.
Wet,
Very
wet.
good. What about the last one?
He was cold.
Wow, perfect, Mary. Okay, so for this one, Mary, you've got, let's count your answers. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. You've got, wow, very good. 14 out of 15. Yay. So I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stars. Wow, that's a lot of stars, Mary. Okay, now let's look at this one. Read and draw lines. You can do it, Mary. There is one example. When Daisy hops, her dad laughs. What about number 2? When Daisy makes a cake, her sister is happy. What about number 2? When Daisy's mom is happy,
Teacher,
yes?
teacher. My
Okay. All right. Are you ready, Mary?
No.
Okay, so let's continue. Look. Okay, what about number 2? When Davy's mom is happy,
Teacher, I can see.
can you see me?
I can see the screen.
Oh, I think the problem is on your end because I didn't do anything. It's the same thing as last time. Yeah, I think that's on your computer. Yeah. But it's all right, Mary, because it's already time. So we will just continue next time on Friday. So, Mary, listen carefully. I want you to set an alarm clock for our class so that you won't forget about the time. Okay, when is our class? That is 6:30 o'clock. So set your time 6:25. 5 minutes so that you can get ready to enter the class. All right, Mary?
Okay.
Very good. So let me count your stars. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Wow, that's a lot of stars. You've got
Yeah,
24
yeah,
stars in
yeah.
total. Yay, great job, Mary. Okay, do you have any question, Mary?
No, no.
Very good. Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something. Have a good night and see you on Friday. Then don't forget to set an alarm clock. Bye bye, Mary.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.